In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a wired controller to computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a controller to a wired connection can help basically eliminate any sort of latency, and overall it is the preferred method of connection, especially if you are playing a competitive title. So to establish a wired connection between your controller and your PC or laptop, you will need a USB cable. Usually the USB cable provided for charging the controller is going to be enough, but you can grab any other one or purchase additional higher quality cables if you prefer. So all that you have to do is locate any available USB port on your PC or your laptop. You can find them on your PC case if you look at the front, or at the back on the motherboard. And for laptops, of course, it is going to be at the side, so all that you have to do is locate any available USB port. Once you locate them, plug one end of the USB cable that you will be using into the controller. So most modern controllers will have a USB-C port, but of course, if yours is a little old, you might have micro USB instead. That is fine. Just plug the cable in, and then the other end of the cable goes into your PC or laptop, so you can plug it in to your PC case, to the motherboard at the back, or if you are using a laptop, in any of these USB ports at the side. It doesn't matter which USB port you choose. So as soon as you plug it in, it should be recognized and usable right away. If it doesn't get detected, I recommend trying out a different USB port. It should appear under the device manager, and the drivers will be acquired automatically. So if you right-click the Windows icon and you go into Device Manager, you should be able to see it located here underneath USB devices. Then the drivers will be acquired automatically, and if you open any game, you will be able to use them. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired controller to computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.